Assalamu wa marhaba. I'm Hania and welcome to another video. Here in the Teal Tadjine, I present easy to prepare delicious dishes from my North African kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a simple everyday apple cake that uses delicious seasonal apples. This cake is easy to prepare using ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen right now. Lovely for afternoon tea with the family, but quick enough to put together for guests. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a like and tell me what you think down below. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss out a thing. All the ingredients are listed up on the screen as well as in the description box below. Bismillah, so let's go over all the ingredients that we're going to need for our everyday apple cake. So of course, our first ingredient are apples, as you can see here. So I just have these small apples that I bought in the market. I just peeled them and then kind of rubbed them with some lemon so that they don't get brown, and just top them into small little cubes like this. So I used 4 small apples about this size, so that would be about 2 large ones, inshallah. We also have some all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and sugar, milk, and here I'm using sunflower oil. You can also use melted butter if you like. 1 packet of baking powder. Here I have a pinch of salt, some vanilla essence. You can also use vanilla extract if you like, or vanilla sugar. And here I have some ground cardamom. You can also use ground cinnamon or any other type of spice mixture that is appropriate for a cake. So I'm just going to begin by taking my apples that I've cut into little cubes here, put it into another little bowl, and just put a little bit of flour over them and kind of coat them in the flour so that they don't sink to the bottom of my cake, inshallah. Just a little bit, you don't need that much. Hagda. So hagda in this bowl here, I'm just going to add in my egg. Just gonna crack my egg in there. And now I'm just going to add in my sugar. Now I'm going to add in also the spices, salt, vanilla essence, and then I'll add in the oil as well as the milk. Give that a really good stir, making sure that everything is well combined. And now I'm going to sift in my flour, as well as my baking powder, and just simply mix all that together. I'm just going to drop in all of my apples and simply just give them a quick mix, making sure that they're all really nicely incorporated. As you can see here, I've lined a springform pan with just some parchment paper so it will be easy for me to take out my cake, inshallah. And now all I'm going to do is just rub a little butter inside. And now I'm just going to pour the apple cake mixture right in. So now we're just going to bake that at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, and then I'll check it. Sometimes it takes about 20 minutes. Here's our cake that I took out of the oven and let it cool just for a little bit. I'm gonna run my knife right along here. Here's our cake at the table. It's light in area, as you can see, but it's also very moist from the addition of the apples. This is a great cake to serve to your family as an afternoon snack, but also to serve to unexpected guests. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and will give it a try soon. Thanks for watching. As always, peace be upon you, and see you in the next video, inshallah.